Hey guys! Hoy, Pang! Pogi! Umarap ko naman dito! Pogi! As long as I'm sitting triple time, it's all loving you on the phone. I just want to
Wala ka pa.
Knockout, Pogi! Knockout! Hoy! Wala! Hey, kuya! Hindi naman dito! Kuya! Happy birthday sa akin! No, we cannot deny it! Your love so sweet! Knocks me off my feet! I get so with the news like an artist. I lose control of my heart to take up me for me to change. So I love you!
Thank you.
Guys, happy birthday! I love you, Papa Earth!
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Kasama ng tropa. Yan ang malakas ng kanta.
Can you say what you love is makes me real?
The starting rain. I get your voice. I can't explain. I get your something about the way you do. Makakagasa po tayo. Yan. Isa na lang. The time was already. Ito na po tayo. Anong oras na? Ito po ang ating oras. Oh my God. It's already 2:20. Nag-start pa 78 lang. Ito pa o. Medyo natin mga VIPs. Sila po yun. CR. The 90% po ng inuman.
99%.
Ay, hindi.
99% din po CR.
Sorry siya. 90% sila. 90% CR, 10% inom lang.
Grabe!
Gano'n ba yan? Hindi ba? They're my classmate in the high school. High school batch. And this person was the no, first party. Ngayon, first ko pa yung mga tao. Nagkatuloy mo ba yan? Ito, magtatalong pati si Michael. Tita Glo, panalo sa lahat. Lahat marunong makibagay. Kasi champion. Walang iwanan. Ito naman si Carolista, parang birthday. Ay, po yan. Kelly Boy. Ronnie Lee. Pataw. Si Inyo. Magpapang production po yan mga kasama ko yan.
Pwede ba?